Now we are going to move into exercise 8.2. Before going inside 8.2, we need to know certain formulas. Here we have to know the answers for these angles. That is, what will be the answer for sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. For this we need to remember this table, but we no need to mug the entire table. Instead of that, I will show you a simple way to remember this table. Here sine 0, so it starts with 0, so sine 0 is 0. Okay, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. See, it moves from 0 to 1. Only this line you have to remember and the rest can be solved by using this. Cos A is reverse of sine A. So we are going to fill it in this reverse order. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Now tan A. We know that tan A is sin A by cos A. So to fill this we have to divide sin A by cos A. So 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled and we get 1 by root 3. And 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 gets cancelled and we get 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled and we get root 3. 1 by 0, which is not defined. Now we have to find cosecant A. Cosecant A is nothing but 1 by sine A. So the reciprocal of sine A will be cosecant A. So 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by, so reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2, reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3 and reciprocal of 1 by 1 is 1. Now secant A. Secant A is the reciprocal of cos A. So 1 by 1 is 1, reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3, reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 and reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Next we are going to deal with cot A. Cot A is cos A by sin A. So we have to divide cos by sin. 1 by 0 is not defined. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 is root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is 1. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3 and 0 by 1 is 0. That's all. So no need to mug this table. Instead, by just knowing what is the answers for sin A, we can fill this entire table. Now, based on the table we learned before, let us solve this problem. Firstly, we need to know the answers for each of this and we are going to substitute it in this and then find the answer at last. For that, we have to know the value of sine 30. We know that sine 30 is 1 by 2, tan 45 is 1, cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cot 45 is equal to 1. Now we are going to substitute these values in the question. Okay, so sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is 1, cosecant 30 is 2 by root 3 divided by secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Now we have to take LCM for this, for 2 and root 3. So the LCM of 2 and root 3 is 2 root 3. So 2 root 3. Here root 3 is missing. So we have to multiply and divide by root 3. Here both 2 root 3 is not here. So 2 root 3. Here 2 is missing. So 2 by 2. So root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Similarly, here also we get the LCM as 2 root 3. So here we have to multiply and divide by 2. Here root 3 by root 3 and here 2 root 3 by 2 root 3. So we get 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. And here when I take it to the numerator, it gets reciprocal and 2 root 3 comes as numerator, and here 4 can be written as the same. Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3. So here 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 gets cancelled and we get 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 3 root 3. Now we are going to take conjugate for this. Conjugate is nothing but we are going to multiply and divide by the denominator except a small change. We will be changing the sign of the denominator. Let me show you here. 3 root 3 minus 4 by 4 plus 3 root 3. We are going to multiply and divide by 4 minus 3 root 3. 4 minus 3 root 3. So we are going to just change the sign and multiply and divide it. This is what we call as conjugate. So by doing so, we will be multiplying the numerators and the denominators. This is to simplify the answer. Okay, now we are going to solve this. Here 3 root 3 into 4 is 4 3s are 12 root 3. 3 root 3 into 3 root 3 is minus 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 9 3s are 27. Next, minus 4 into 4 is minus 16. Next, minus 4 into minus 3 root 3 is plus 12 root 3 divided by, here we get 4 plus 3 root 3, 4 minus 3 root 3. Here it is according to the identity a minus b into a plus b. So we can substitute as a square minus b square. So this can be written as 4 square minus 3 root 3 square. Here 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3 is 24 root 3 minus 27 minus 16 is minus 43 divided by 16 minus 27. Here we get 24 root 3 minus 43. That's all. We can't do anything above than this. And here 16 minus 27 is minus 11. When I take this minus to the numerator, it becomes minus 24 root 3 minus 43 by 11. Let me bring this minus sign inside. So it becomes minus 24 root 3 minus into minus plus 43 by 11. So we can interchange and write it as 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. That's all. Next, let us solve a problem in exercise 8.2, first one, fifth subdivision. Here we need to know the answers for these things, answers for these angles. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Secant 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. Tan 45 equal to 1, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, and cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So we are going to substitute it here. So by substituting we get 5 into 1 by 2 square plus 4 into 2 by root 3 square minus 1 square divided by 1 by 2 square plus root 3 by 2 square. Here 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, and here minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So here 5 by 4 plus 4 fours are 16, so 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4. By cancelling it we get 1. Here for 4 and 3 if we take LCM it comes to be 12. So into 3 into 3 into 4 into 4 into 12 into 12. So 5 3s are 15 plus 16 into 4 is 64 minus 12. So 15 plus 64 is 79 minus 12 by 12. Here 79 minus 12 is 67 by 12. That's all. Simple. Let's do another problem in exercise 8.2, third sum. It is, if tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3 and the sum of the angles A and B lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Angle A is greater than angle B. So we have to find angle A and angle B. So it is given that angle A should be greater than angle B and both the angles lie between 0 to 90 degree. Okay. It is given tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. So let's take this tan to the other side. When this tan is taken to other side, it becomes as tan inverse of. So A plus B is equal to tan inverse of root 3, and here A minus B is equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Here when we write it as tan inverse of root 3, we have to check in the table when the answer will be root 3. For which angle will tan get the answer as root 3? It is 60 degree. So A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. And similarly for A minus B, we get 1 by root 3 as answer for tan when the angle is 30 degrees. So we get two equations, A plus B as 60 and A minus B as 30. Let's solve this two equation by using elimination method. Okay, so we can write A plus B is equal to 60 degrees and A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Now we can cancel this plus B and minus B. So A plus A is 2A, which is equal to 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. So A will be equal to 90 by 2, which is equal to 45 degrees. Now we can find B by substituting in any one of this equation. Let me substitute in this equation. So A minus B is 30 degrees. We found A as 45 degrees. So minus B is equal to 30 degree. When I take this 30 this side, 45 minus 30 will be plus B. Because when this minus B goes to that side, it becomes plus B. So 45 minus 30 is 15. So that is B. And A is 45. It satisfies both the conditions a plus b. So a plus b is equal to 90 degree and a is greater than b. So it satisfies both the conditions and hence we have found the answer. If you want the formulas of trigonometry as a document, you can get it in our Telegram channel Math Tonics. The link is given in the description, so you can go to the channel and download the PDF there. Thank you.